Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has moved in the last week and how these cryptocurrencies can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, what you can see here that the Bitcoin, which I have already said in my previous video that if the price stays above $52,000, then chances were very high that it can go and touch a level of 59k. Okay, and if it stays above this level for 1 hour, then chances are high it can cross a level of $60k. Okay, and now we can see that the trend is an upside. Okay, and I have already suggested you that if the price goes above $44,500, then chances were very high that it can be in the uptrend. Okay, as of now what we can see here, if you look at this chart, we can see a trend is in upside. Okay, suppose if the price goes above, again if the price goes above a level of this 62 to $11, then chances are high it can go and cross a level of it can go and touch a level of its all-time high. If you have any doubt regarding crypto, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this crypto and bitcoins and all these technical charts are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, look at this chart. What we can see chart here, a cup pattern was forming and the chances were very high that if it stays above 52k, then $52k, then chances were very high that it can go and touch a level of 62. Okay, this is 61,848. Now this is a big resistance here. Okay, suppose if and I have already told you that this level is only tested once, so chances will be very high that we can see a bounce back from this level. Okay, suppose if the price touched this level and from there it bounced back, and after touching this support it will go again upside. Okay, and now we have seen that it has come down to a level of 61,270, then chances are high it can go to a level of 59,953, and if it bounce back from this level 4,751, and chances were very high that there is a possibility that there can be a profit booking can come, because this level is only tested here once. Okay, and chances are high you can book half of your profit at this level, and suppose if it comes down again after touching this high, then if it comes around, suppose if 64, and if it comes down to 63k, then you can book the other half, because possibility is there it will bounce back downside, and then if it goes upside, then you can again buy, because it will break then thing all-time high. But as of now I can see that there will be a probability that it can bounce back again after touching at this level. Okay, so suppose if the price stays above this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 62,744, and if the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 63,742, and if it, then chances are high it can go, because if it comes close to 63, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 64,831. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't go sustain this level, Bitcoin didn't sustain this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 61,110, and if the price didn't sustain that level also, then it can come down to 59,477. Okay, and if this 59,477, if it stays below this level, suppose if the price don't go above this level, then if cross this side, then we can see a level of 58,478, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 57,752 very soon. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 55,937, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 53,033. Okay, so if the price as of now I will say in a brief way that if it stays above 61, okay, then chances were very high it can touch a level of 65 also. Okay, because this level is only tested once, so chances are high it can come down to a next support of around 60, and if it bounce back from this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 65 also. Okay, and this level is only tested once, so chances are high you can book your profit at this level, and if it bounce back again from this level, the chances are high it can bounce and then it can make a new high. But as of now there is a resistance point and it is only tested once. If it crosses upside, then we can, what you have to do is, you can book half your profit at this level, and if it comes down again, you can book the other half. Suppose if it goes upside, then you can wait for with the stop loss of this. Okay, if we talk about Dogecoin, see, Dogecoin is moving in a particular range. If you look at this range, and the range is now trying to get narrow. Okay, so what we can see here, a trend is forming, and a big trend is forming. If you look at this trend, we can see, suppose if the price goes above a level of, if stays above a level of 0.2391, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 0.2532, and if it stays above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 0.2727322 okay, and if the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 0.2972581. okay, and if the price goes more above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 0.31927807. okay, and if the price stays, because these levels are already tested twice, so chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 0.347307, because these levels are already tested here twice, so chances are high if it goes above a level of 0.25, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 0.34930. okay, and it is like a cup pattern is forming here, so chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 0.44 also if it stays above a level of 0.35. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level and goes below a level of 0.2311, then chances are it can go and touch a level of 0.2151688, and from there we can see a level of 0.1931 if it goes below this level, and from there we can see it can go to a level of, if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 0.1891407, and see, these levels are already tested twice, so if it goes below a level of 0.915, then it can go and touch a level of 0.165, and from there we can see a level of 0.103. okay, so hope if we talk about Ethereum, see, now Ethereum is moving in an uptrend. If you look at this trend, we can see Ethereum is moving in uptrend. Suppose if because a cup pattern has formed, and from there it has moved upside. okay, so we can see if it sustain above a level of 3676, we can see that Ethereum can move upside. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what is trading at current price of 38, if it goes above a level of 3900, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 4020. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 4181, and from there we can see a level of 4364. okay, and chances are high it can go further upside. okay, and if this level is only tested once, so chances are high it can bounce back from this level, or it can bounce back from this level, so you can book a half a profit at this level, and suppose if the price go a little bit down, then you can book the other half, or you can, if it goes above this level, you can what you can do is you can treat this as a stop loss and wait till it how long it goes up. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then chances are high if it goes below this level, then it can touch a level of 3687, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 3483, and suppose if the price goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 3343, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 3181. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 2902, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 2612. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 2407 also, and from there once if it goes below a level of 2644, then we can see there will be a downtrend form, because this is the range. Once this range breaks, we can see a level of 2429, and from there we can see a level of 2020. okay, and once this level comes down, then we can see it can go further low. If we talk about Litecoin, see, what we can see in the Litecoin, we can see that the trend is moving, the trend is like Dogecoin. okay, and now it is moving in this particular range. So once this range breaks upside, okay, and if you look at this pattern, we have seen that this is the range where it is moving since a long time. So once this range, and if you look at this range, it is from month of June. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, then chances are it can go and touch a level of 193, and if the price sustain above this level, chances are it can go and cross a level of 193 and can touch a level of 207. Okay, and if the price stays more above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 230, because these levels are already tested twice, and chances are it can go and touch a level of, once it goes above a level of 230, then chances are it can go and touch a level of 247, because these levels are already tested twice. So but 247 is not tested twice, so chances are we can see a bounce back from this level, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 275, and from there we can see more upside to a level of 289. Okay, and we can see a level of 335, which is a very strong resistance. Suppose if the price of Litecoin didn't sustain this level, so chances are it can go a level of 179, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 170. Okay, and if it comes close to 170, then we can see it can come down to a level of 156, and once if it comes close to 156, and if it stays below this level, then we can see it can come down to 140. See, if the price goes below a level of 150, then we can see there then chances are high it can go to a level 141, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can come down to 127, and once if it comes down to 127, then we can see a level of 118 also, and then we can see there can be a chance that it can go more further low, because these levels are already tested twice. So if it comes close to 105, then we can see a 102, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 92 also. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.